day, gun tubers. Well, I got me a good one today. I worked a few extra jobs last month just so I could get this, and I can't wait to get it open. Now, this is not a true unboxing video because it's used, but let's get to it. It came with a case. That was great. Whoever traded this thing in. Looky what we got here. So, this is my used B&T GHM9, and it's the G version for Glock, which is Glock magazines. I think it's Glock magazines, and look at this thing, man. This thing is real sweet. It already came with a couple of upgrades. This charging handle, folding charging handle, that's not from the factory. It came with this red dot, primary arms red dot. I don't know anything much about this red dot, but it seems to be pretty decent quality. Somebody put a little finger stop on here. I guess they want to shoot the thumbs off. But yeah, made in Swiss, real sweet. And I've always wanted me a B&T. I didn't think I'd ever get in one just because of price. And I wasn't ready to jump that high, and these things are pricey, even used. It wasn't cheap. So anyway, I just had to get me something new, and just a new range toy, really. Not calling it really home defense weapon. This is my home defense weapon right here. So let's see what else came with it here. All right, so it's got a manual. Oh, what's this? Whoever kept it in its original condition as far as the box and stuff goes. The paperwork, it looks like. Parts and accessories. So that was something they added on here from B&T. I don't know what that was. We'll have to look at that a little later. More B&T stuff. Tinny rail. I have to read all this stuff. See what all we got going on here. But that's the owner's manual. Pretty nice. And I will be adding a pistol brace to this thing at some point because I just like shooting it that way. Welcome to the B&T family. This looks like a sling. Nope, it's not a sling. This is some extra parts. Looks like the original end cap and some other stuff in there. Oh, we got all kind of little goodies in here. Have to look at that. Came with it. Allen wrench, some tools. Looks like another charging handle right there. Yeah, that's the original charging handle. Okay, and that's the original pistol grip that came with it. So I may put that back on. I don't know. And I had to pick me up another 33 round magazine. So that way I'd have two. But yeah, look at this bad boy. See the trigger pull. Well, let's take it off safe. It does have a safety trigger pull. Decent trigger. I did already safety check this guy. This came right from the gun shop, so I'm not gonna shoot my my neighbor's house or anything. So that is sweet, y'all. I'll tell you what. Real nice. Like I said, I don't know much about this red dot, but I'm gonna have to look it up and see. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what you think. We'll get out to the range. We'll do some shooting with it, and man, that's just awesome. I love it. Always wanted to get into B&T. Finally did. So can't wait to shoot it and see how it does. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. Yeah.